what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix, and you get all kinds of items, jewelry, jeans, shoes, purses, clothing. It's awesome. So go sign up. It's been great for me. So in my bundle, I actually got an extra, which is right here. And here is my bundle. It looks like some fall colors. So we shall see. If you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so in the box, you get your items. You get your style card, and my stylist is still Brit. So here is my style card. You get your price sheet and your return bag to send back anything that you don't want. There is free shipping both ways. So let's get into the bundle. Let's first do this extra. I'm not gonna try it on for you guys. It is this cute bralette. It's a cream color. It's super cute. It's a size medium. It is the Free People Galileo Lace Racerback Bralette in off-white, size medium. So that's super cute. Okay, so let's get into this bundle. All right, so the first item is this top. It is a tank top. Let me move back for you guys. It is red and white and stripes in the front, and then in the back it has stripes and polka dots, and it looks like it's a little bit longer. So here I will let you see that a little bit closer. It looks like it is Kayla, the brand, and it is the Kayla Parton Mix Material Knit Tank Top in red, size extra small. So that's cute. All right, next we have here is this tank, and you can see it has this cutout in the front. It's just a black tank. There you go. And the material is really nice. Let's see what the brand on this is. It looks like Paper Moon. Paper Moon Bane Bar Detail Knit Top in black, size extra small. So one thing I meant to ask you, if you want me to read my style card, just let me know. I can, but usually I don't. I just make sure that my stylist is still Brit, so. All right, so the next item we have here is this like green top, which is, I love this color. Let me pull this tag. Has a V-neck in the front. Looks like there is a cold shoulder here, which is super cute, and is super thin straps here. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work with a bra, but we shall see. And in the back there is a keyhole. So I do like this a lot, especially this color. And this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. And the item is the 9 Britain Carla Cold Shoulder Blouse in dark green, size extra small. So that is really cute. I like that color. Very pretty. All right, next we have is a cardigan, which looks very comfortable. It is black, gray, and then light gray, and the pockets are black. So it is 3 different colors. I do like this. It has a flat front, which is my favorite. And this is the Cotton Emporium Dot Color Block Cardigan in gray, size extra small. And last but not least is some Studio Blue jeans. And they have some distressing on them, regular bottoms, and a little bit of distressing on the pockets. And these are 25. I asked for a lot of stuff that's just 24 because the 25 seem to not fit me super well, but we'll see how these fit. These are the Studio Blue Jude Distress Skinny Jean in Indigo, size 0. Okay, that's everything. So I'm gonna try everything on, and then at the end I'll go over prices and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so the first item we have is this top. This is really cute. I think it looks cuter on than just me showing it. Here is, and then it has the polka dots on the back. I think it is really pretty. I paired it with the jeans, but we'll go over those. So yeah, I mean, look, it's really cute. I really do like this. I like red and white, so this is really nice. Okay, next we have the jeans. The only thing is they're a little bit big in the back, but these do fit really nice. They're a little bit long, but I do like the distressing, that it's not like super distressed where you can see my legs through it. So this is really nice. It is a little bit big in the waist, but we shall see. I like Studio Blue. I don't know if I have these already, but I will check. I think I have them in a lighter color, but these are cute. Okay, next is the black top. The only thing I don't like is this here. I do have my bra crisscross and you can still see the bra strap. I do like this part of it, but otherwise it's okay. It is super form fitting. It does look nice. So here is the back. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think here? I just don't like this part right here showing, even with a black bra. So let me know what you think. Okay, next we have is the cardigan. I just put it on with the black top. This does look super cute with this top. So it would look nice with just a plain black top, V-neck top. It does have pockets. It is cute. It feels a little bit big on me though. It is a little bit large and long in the sleeves. You could roll them up. So there it is rolled up. So I will do a turn for you. I mean, it's cute. It's nice. Let me know what you think. Okay, next is the green top. I love the color. Not sure about the straps on this one as well. There is the cold shoulder, and here it is in the back. So it's really nice, the color, but I just am not sure of the style on this. I have to look at the video and see. These jeans are super comfortable, so I'm really liking these a lot. Every pair of jeans, I buy so many jeans from Stitch Fix. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me know your thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's go over prices and I'll give you my thoughts. So these jeans are very comfortable. These are the Studio Blue jeans and they're $64. These are in my maybe pile. This top, I did really like this. The style was a little bit different. And I couldn't wear it a ton of different places. This 9 Britain top, I can't get it undone here. It's $38, which isn't bad. I do like it a lot, so we shall see. Next is this black top. I really didn't care for this. It was a little bit too tight and it sat really like crooked on my body. This was the Paper Moon top and this was $34. So I'm gonna pass on this one as well. This cardigan, if you've been watching my channel, I've been doing some Amazon Prime shopping and I am finding some really good deals on cardigans. So this here is the Cotton Emporium and that's $48. So I found some cheaper on Amazon Prime Wardrobe, but this is super soft and comfortable. So I'm gonna pass on that. This top surprised me. I did like this a lot. It is pretty. This is the Kayla top and it's $36, but unfortunately I'm gonna pass on it. I don't really need it and I don't see myself like gravitating towards it. So only thing I'll probably keep if I don't keep the jeans is this Free People top here. So this Free People bralette, which is $20. So I am gonna keep this. So thank you, and thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and put in the comments below what other unboxings you'd like to see. I have a fashion coming as well, so you'll be seeing that probably before this one. So thank you, and bye. Actually, I'm back because I forgot to tell you the total. $220 buy 05 discount, $55, $20 for the extra, so my total will be $185. That's not bad for everything. So yeah, I'll let you guys know in the comments below what I 100% decide to keep. Bye.